Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can convert an image to a Word file. It is very simple and easy. At first, we need some picture or JPG file. So for this tutorial, I will use this slide packet. So here there are some text. At first, we will take the picture and after that, we will import that picture to our computer and finally, we will convert the image to a PDF file and then we'll convert it to a Word file. Is very simple and easy. So let's get started. So here is the light picture. So there are a couple of text out there. So I will use the other side of this slide. For example, I'm going to use the other side, that means this side, to capture the image, and from this image we will convert to the Word file. So I just took the picture and after that I put it on my computer hard disk. So here I just put it and I see this is located in the folder downloads FewSteps and the picture name is mypicture.jpeg. So that is the picture which we took of the light side. Now I'm going to open Microsoft Word. So after opening the Microsoft Word, we have to create a new document. So I'm going to open a new document and then finally I will copy that image to this Word file. So simply I'm dragging and dropping it to the Word file and we'll see that the image is in the Word file. Now let's save it. To save the file, click on file and then from here you will choose save as, and after that you will find this tab option. So we want to save it our downloads folder. So I'm going to click my PC and once I click my PC, then we'll see on link like more options. I just need to click over there and then it will pop up this type of window. From here I'm choosing downloads and inside downloads there is a folder few steps and I choose there, and after that I have to type the name of the file. For example, my file name is my temp file. Okay, so after that we have to choose like the format type as PDF and finally we have to click on save button. Once you click save button, the file will be saved as a PDF file. So now let's go to the folder. Let's check whether that PDF file is there or not. So I see there is a PDF file. I just double clicked it and then it will open like this. So this is our targeted PDF file. Now we need to convert it as a Word file. So just open Word, then click on file and then choose open. Now we have to go to the targeted location of that PDF file. So after clicking open, then you will see this type of thing. Just click of this side more templates and then it will open like this. And from here we have to go this PC and the location of that PDF file. So I'm going to search here. If I don't find, then what we will do, we'll go to the documents, and if you click documents then it will open like this. Then choose downloads folder because our file is under a few steps here, and then we have to click on open. After clicking open button, then we have to wait for few seconds till on warning message will be appeared. So here is the warning message. So basically it is showing that it is trying to do something. Okay, because that is an image, so we are trying to convert is a Word file. Just click OK to complete this process and then wait few more seconds and you will see a new Word file be opened, and then you will see all the text are here. So I'm going to resize this Word file so that it will be easier to compare. So basically this is our image file which actually we created before, and this is our actual generated text. So now we'll compare. So if we compare that then you will see that everything, most of the things basically the text are exactly same. Some part of the text there might be some issue, but you can fix those things. Those are very minor issue. Like here, like est capital small letter, this or matching, or there are very little changes we need to do it manually, but overall the quality is not bad. And if your image is completely very clear, then you will see Microsoft Word will convert that image to text file very easily and smoothly. So guys, that's all. In this way you can easily convert an image to a Word file, and hopefully after watching this video you are able to do this thing. And if this video is helpful and if you feel this video is useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video.